Welcome back, children. In today's session, we will discuss the back exercise of lesson 3 of English literature, that is Holi in the Jungle. Alright, so let's start with it. Open page number 27 and read part A. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Children, you are given a help box. Just choose the correct word to complete the following sentences. Alright. So first one is Foxy, the fox was singing. So this one is already solved. Come on the next part, that is Foxy asked Bhima for help. So for what Foxy asked Bhima's help? Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box full of all the stuff which Foxy had packed for playing Holi with his jungle friends. Alright. The next one is Foxy and Bhima stopped under a tree. So when they were going to play Holi with their friends, they stopped under a tree where Bhima replaced all the stuff from the box with flowers and leaves. Alright. Next is they came to the middle of the jungle. Fine. Last one is they played Holi with flowers and leaves. So now you know that Bhima changed the material which Foxy had bought with flowers and leaves. So everyone played Holi with flowers and leaves. Fine. Now move on to part B. In this, tick the names of the animals who played Holi with Foxy and Bhima. So you are given 10 names of animals. You have to tick those animals who played Holi with Foxy and Bhima. So if you will recall the story, you will come to know that the animals that played Holi with Foxy and Bhima were rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys and deer. Fine. So tick rabbits on the first number, bears on the second number, elephants on the fifth number, deer on the seventh number and monkeys on the eighth number. So now come on part C. Who put these into the box? Write Bhima or Foxy on the blanks. So few names of things are given to you. You have to write who put which thing into the box that was packed for playing Holi, Bhima or Foxy. So first is mud. Who put mud in the box? It was Foxy. So write Foxy in the first blank. Next is shoe polish. Again, Foxy put it in the box. So write Foxy in the second blank also. Next is leaves. Now, who put leaves in the box? It was Bhima. So write Bhima in the third blank. Next is banana peels. So Foxy put banana peels in the box. So write Foxy in the fourth blank also. Then last one is flowers. Again, Bhima put flowers into the box. Alright. Now come on page number 28. Read part D. Read the words on the word wall. So children, there are some words given on the word wall. That is paint, faint, saint, peel, feel, heel, sound, round, found. So these are the rhyming words. You have to circle the odd word in each set given below. Read the words given in the first bubble. That is paint, went, faint, saint. So which one is odd? So the word which is not matching with the rhyme is went. So first one is already done. Likewise, you have to do the other parts also. Next is peel, feel, pool, heel. So the odd one here is pool. So circle the word pool. Next is sound, round, found, hand. So the odd one is hand. So circle the word hand. Fine. Now moving on to part E. You have to write double letters on the blanks to name these animals. Children, look at the first word and see the picture beside it. It is a squirrel. So the spellings are SQUIRREL. So write double R in these two blanks given to you in the word squirrel. Fine. Next is already done, that is rabbit. Then comes giraffe. So write double F in the third blank. Then comes the animal there in the water, that is hippo. So write double P in the last blank. I hope this is clear. Now come on page number 30. Children, this is page number 29. No need to do anything on page number 29. Come on page number 30. Look at the picture and read the sentences. This is a butterfly. Children, see in picture, the butterfly is close to the boy and there is only one butterfly. So that's why demonstrative pronoun this is used here. Now, that is a flower. So flower is far from the boy and it is only one. There is only one flower. That's why the demonstrative pronoun that is used over here. Fine. Likewise, you have to do in part G. So, write this or that on the blanks. First is dash is a car. See, the car is near to the girl and there is only one car. So the demonstrative pronoun this will come here. Fine. Next is dash is a bicycle. Bicycle is quite far from the girl and it is also only one. So the demonstrative pronoun that will come over here. It will be that is a bicycle. Fine. Now look at the second picture. Dash is a bee. So the demonstrative pronoun this will come here. As the bee is near to the girl and there is only one bee. Next is dash is a tree. So the demonstrative pronoun that will come over here. As the tree is far from the girl and there is only one tree. So it will be that is a tree. Fine. Now come on part H. You have to write these or those on the blanks. First is dash are bats. Look into the picture. The bats are close to the boy and there is more than one bat. So the demonstrative pronoun these will come over here. It will be these are bats. Next is dash are teddy bears. So the teddy bears are kept far from the boy and there are more than one teddy bear. So the demonstrative pronoun those will come here. It will be those are teddy bears. Next is dash are my books. So the demonstrative pronoun these will come here as the books are kept close to the boy and it is more than one in number. So it will be these are books. Next is dash are my toys. So the demonstrative pronoun those will come here as the toys are kept far from the boy and the toys are more than one in number. So it will be those are my toys. Now come on page number 32. Leave part I and J. Read part K. In this, you have to match the columns to make sentences, and you have to write them in the lines provided to you in the last. So first is the monkey climbs the tree. So match first part with D part. Then my school bus is late today. So match second part with part C. Then the peacock is dancing. So match third part with the part A. Next is we like to play in the park. Match fourth part with part B. Alright. Now come on page number 33. Leave part L. Come on part M. This you have to do yourself. Fine? Children, with this we are done with our today's topic. Thank you so much. God bless you.